Hello students, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to a new lesson. The objective of the lesson is to apply vocabulary about months, seasons, and ordinal numbers. Remember that there are going to be some parts of the video where you have to stop the video and do activities, okay? So let's start with the lesson. Okay, I need that you please open your student books on page number 71. Page 71, please, because we're going to check new vocabulary about months and seasons. Do you know the name of some of the months of the year in Spanish, in English? Okay, we're going to check them now. In activity number 1, you have to put the months in the correct order. Write 1 to 12 in the boxes. Then we're going to listen and check. So, here we have the name of the different months of the year: June, May, March, etc. And the idea is that you put the correct number of the month next to the name. For example, January, number 1, because it's the first month of the year. Okay, so now please, I need that you stop the video and do the activity. Did you finish? Excellent. So we're going to listen and check now.
1. January. 2. February. 3. March. 4. April. 5. May. 6. June. 7. July. 8. August. 9. September. 10. October. 11. November. 12. December.
Okay, very good. So now we're going to make activity number 2. What months are in these seasons in the UK? First of all, I want that you tell me the name of the seasons in Spanish. Can you do it? Okay, for example, verano, otoño, primavera, e invierno. So now you're going to learn how to say the seasons in English. And here we have different pictures with the names of the season in each one. So, number 1, we have winter, which in Spanish is, what do you think? Invierno. Very good. Then we have spring, which in Spanish is, what do you think? Primavera. Excellent. Then we have summer, which in Spanish is verano. Great. And finally, we have autumn, which in Spanish is otoño. Excellent. So now we're going to continue with the second part of the lesson. And today I'm going to explain you the use of the ordinal numbers. Let's start. Ordinal numbers. In English and in Spanish, we have two different types of numbers: the cardinal numbers and the ordinal numbers. The cardinal numbers are numbers that you already know. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And an ordinal number is a number that tells the position of something in a list. In English, for example, first, second, third, fourth, etc. In Spanish, an ordinal number is primero, for example, segundo, tercero, cuarto. And a cardinal number, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, etc. Okay? Cardinal number, the number that you already know. An ordinal number is a number that tells the position of something in a race or a list. In English, we also use ordinal numbers in dates. Okay? And to form an ordinal number, you have to write the cardinal number and add a th at the end most of the times, but there are some exceptions too. For example, the cardinal number 10 and the ordinal number is tenth. In Spanish, diez, cardinal, diez, ordinal, décimo. Then we have 7, cardinal number, and the ordinal number is seventh. Número cardinal, 7, número ordinal, séptimo. Then we have 6, cardinal number, and the ordinal number is sixth. Okay? Número cardinal, 6, número ordinal, sexto. And you only have to add a th at the end of the number to make it ordinal, okay? Let's check more numbers now. Here we have some exceptions to the rule of the th. Look, first, second, and third. These numbers are different, so we're going to write a 1 and an st when we want to say first, primero in inglés. Then we have second, segundo. Then we have third, tercero. And then we have fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. So the only 3 numbers that have different letters are first, second, and third. The other numbers, you have to add a th at the end of the number, and that's it, okay? Let's check more numbers now. 19, 19, número cardinal. The ordinal number is 19th with the th at the end. Then we have 20, 20. The ordinal number is 20th, 20th. Then we have 21, ordinal number, and cardinal number, and the ordinal number is 21st, 21, 21st. Then we have 22, cardinal number, and the ordinal number is 22nd. Then we have 23, cardinal number, and the ordinal number is 23rd. Then we have 24, cardinal number, the ordinal number is 24th. And finally, 25, cardinal number, and 25th is the ordinal number. As you can see, the only thing that you have to change in the ordinal number is the second number. 2020 is the same, so you have to change the second number. 2, second, 3, third, 4, fourth, and so on, okay? Great. Okay, so now we're going to make activities with the ordinal numbers. Page 71 again, please. Ordinal numbers, vocabulary. We're going to make activity number 2. Match the numbers with the words. So here we have ordinal numbers, and the idea is that you match the words of the ordinal numbers with the ordinal numbers. How? Writing the letter next to the number. Okay, so number one, first, letter H. Let's see. First, that is the correct word. Excellent. Number second. This is second. What do you think? Letter M. Very good. So you had to write letter M there. So stop the video now and do it, please. Do you finish? Very good. So now we're going to listen, check, and repeat.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 20th, 30th, 31st.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's practice. Please tell me the name of the month when we celebrate Christmas. Do you know the name? Very good, it's December. Now, tell me the name of the month when we celebrate Fiestas Patrias here in Chile. Do you know the name? September, excellent. And finally, tell me the name of the month when we celebrate Halloween. Do you know the name? October, perfect, very good. Okay, so now I need that you please look at the pictures and say the name of the season. Look at this picture. Can you tell me the name of the season? Summer, perfect, excellent. Look at this other picture. Can you tell me the name of the correct season? Winter, very good. And finally, the last picture. Can you tell me the name of the season? Spring, perfect, very good. And finally, I need that you please tell me the ordinal number of the next cardinal numbers. So here we have 11, 32, 29, and 81. So 11, tell me the ordinal number. 11th, excellent. Now 32, tell me the ordinal number, please. 32nd, very good. Then we have 29. Tell me the ordinal number, please. 29th, excellent. And finally, we have 81. The ordinal number is 81st, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you the homework that you have to do this week. I need that you please open your workbooks on page number 67, page 67. Activity number 3. Complete the months and seasons with the missing consonants. Okay, so here we have months and seasons, and you have to complete the words with the correct consonants. That's very easy. And you also are going to do activity number 5 and 6 that is related to ordinal numbers. Activity number 5, complete the table. So you have to complete with the number or with the word. Okay, so first, second, this number, and you have to write the word or you have to write the number next to the word to complete the table. And number 6, write the ordinal numbers. So here you have to only write the ordinal numbers. Okay? Very good. And that is the end of the lesson. I hope that you have learned the use of the ordinal numbers and the new vocabulary. Okay? See you next lesson. Bye!